I've had the chance to do a lot of great interviews over my broadcasting career, but this is one I'm actually really excited about. I've got the founder of CA and CEO of 8-Bit Creatives. We're here at the home of 8-Bit Creatives. Animesh, great to be here with you. Thank you so much for having us at your home. How are things going with you? This is an amazing facility, man.
Yeah, I mean, like, it's been great. The run for gaming in India has been insane over the last 3-4 years. So, like, we have been a part of that run, and like, this is like a dream come true for us. Looking back 4 years ago, I did not think that we'd be able to make something of this sort. And yes, you're sitting at the home of 8-Bit.
It's pretty amazing. I've got to say, do you are widely known? Are you always known as Animesh? Do you now prefer just being called 8-Bit Thug, or?
Yeah, so it depends, you know, what circle I am there in. Like, if I'm in the, like, I'm meeting the industry people, then it's obviously Thug generally how people refer to
Family
me. But then, family name is still Animesh. Like, yeah, Guwahati is all about Animesh. There is no mention of Thug at all.
ये आपके जो journey है, कहाँ से शुरू हुआ?
Yeah, so my actually the kickstart for me was PMSC 2018. It was a PUBG Mobile Invitational tournament, and I started streaming around 30th July the same year. I was a little bit lucky and a little bit known and aware about how stuff works in esports and all that. So I signed up for the tournament. We qualified, and I was voted as Asia's top 4 most popular streamer. So I got a slot into the Thailand finals. That's when things kicked off for me. And then coming back from Thailand, I met Mortal around December. And then we made Soul, and then I continued my run in 8-Bit, and then we merged them to form SA12, and then this is what you all have right now.
So the souls met, they connected, and
this
is the
ultimate output.
This is the baby of the two, the 8-Bit soul that came together.
Correct.
To convince parents,
right?
हमारे parents जो है, they're from a different generation. Let's
exactly.
be honest, right?
Yeah,
in Assam as well, I'm sure. It's
definitely. I mean,
Chennai,
like being from India, it's like
exactly.
You know,
तो उनको कैसे convince किया कि अरे gaming is actually I can earn a livelihood. ये एक serious चीज है.
Right. So I was pursuing my CA, CFA and FRM. I did my CA inters and I cleared both groups at one go. I was working with Deloitte.
So you're a smarter guy than me.
Yeah, and then also I did my CFA and FRM level 1. So I was pretty much stacked in my academic career. So I had a lot of chance to take a break for a year because I was 22, I think, when I entered gaming. So that's when I convinced my parents. So it was very easy for me to convince. I was like, I can always come back to studies. I just need a year's time to try something of my own. Always wanted to become a streamer, and that's when I started streaming, and then I got into gaming, hardcore gaming, then esports, then team, and then it's all been a journey now, talent agency. The reason why it was so easy for me, मैं सबको यही बोलता हूँ कि पढ़ाई फिर भी बहुत important है. अभी ऐसा हो गया, people want to enter gaming when they're 16, 17, 18. इससे बहुत अच्छी बात है, आप कर लो, बट अपने पढ़ाई वाली चीज़ को इंटैक्ट रखो, क्योंकि इंडिया में आपको बैकअप चाहिए ही चाहिए. दिस इज नॉट राइट नाउ वेरी मेन स्ट्रीम करियर. अगर आप मेरे से मिलते हो, मॉडल से बात करते हो, हम लोग ऊपर के बहुत क्रीम हो गए. अगर आप नीचे स्ट्रगल देखोगे, बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रगल है. लाइक दे आर 100 मिलियन गेमर्स इन इंडिया लाइक दिस है. सो बहुत डिफिकल्ट है उनके लिए. इफ़ इट वर्क्स आउट बहुत अच्छी बात है, नहीं वर्क किया तो एटलीस्ट आपको लाइफ में रिपेंड नहीं आती कि आपने चांस नहीं दिया. आई सेड गिव इट अ शॉट, but always have a backup. So मैं वही किया. Like my plan was pitch perfect.
You already made me feel bad that you're an overachiever. Now you're making me feel bad that you've achieved so much at 26. I feel old. I don't see this very often, but that's awesome, man. That's really great.
Thank you.
Take me through a day of what you would do when you woke up to when you slept, and when that was. और अब कैसे है आपके बताओ?
I started my streaming career from Twitch. So Twitch was a global platform. And मेरी जो gaming circle थी उस टाइम में, because I came from a game called Clash Royale, वो सारे बाहर के लोग थे. So मेरे उस टाइम viewers भी जो थे वो बाहर के थे. इंडिया में इतना कुछ नहीं था, लोग स्ट्रीमिंग देखते भी नहीं थे. फिर बट बिकॉज मैं 3 महीने 4 महीने ट्विच पे स्ट्रीम किया, तो मुझे वो आदत ये हो गई कि आप लेट नाइट लॉन्ग स्ट्रीम्स करो. सो आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन अ लॉन्ग स्ट्रीमर. सो तब मैं 10 बजे स्ट्रीम स्टार्ट करता था रात को. आई यूज्ड टू स्ट्रीम अंटिल 6. आई यूज्ड टू हैव ब्रेकफास्ट एंड गो टू स्लीप अराउंड 10. फिर मैं उठता था शाम को एंड देन हैव लाइक प्री लंच. बट राइट नाउ इट्स लाइक आई वेक अप एट 11:30 और लाइक 11 एंड देन आई हैव माय 3 आवर्स ऑफ, मैं वहीं बैठा रहूँगा जहाँ पे उठाऊँ, वहीं पे ब्रेकफास्ट करके आई फ्रेशन अप, सारी चीज़ को फिनिश ऑफ करो, align the day with my team, then I go back, have lunch, and then maybe अगर बहुत like last night अगर सुबह 7 बजे सोया था तो I'll sleep for another couple hours, or else I'll just continue the day, and then I try to find a time for streaming. So I'll start streaming still at 10, but अब उतना नहीं होता. So I'll do like 2.5 hours, 3 hours, and then call it a day.
वो journey जो था पहले से, you've gone through that struggle. You guys are a top-notch facility. I mean, are you sitting here just proud of what you've achieved?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, like saying that no, we are not proud would be an understatement. मतलब वो क्यों ही खुद को हम वो बोलेंगे. My inspiration all comes from sitting out of company, sitting out of abroad, like FaZe हो गया, 100 Thieves हो गया. जो ये org वाली concept है, a group of creators working really well, that too in gaming. तो वो थोड़ा नया concept है. I think it's still gonna take a couple of years.
Are you looking to grow this facility? Are you looking to sort of add more gamers? What would you ideally love?
Right. So for now, see, there's a reality check that we are gonna have is that the creators are aging aging.
Yeah.
अब ऐसा time है कि they'll start getting married and they'll start getting settled down. So right now it's shifting of the baton. I just want every creator कि वो एक दूसरा creator बना के दे. For example, a creator like Aman who is in that room right now, वो अगर घर चले जाता है, नहीं settles with his family, जो obvious it's a वो होना ही है.
Exactly.
तो अमन अपना काम करेगा. It's just that we need
You
to
need
find the
someone
next young Aman. Transition is very difficult. So it's a slow process, but हाँ वो एक हमारा risk factor रहता है.
The number of gamers coming through.
Right.
For guys who are watching this saying, "Arey, how do I join that facility?"
See, there is no rule of thumb कि वो कैसे करे. I mean, like we started with 10 creators, now we are at 45.
Wow.
So 35 भी they started from nowhere, they reach somewhere. वो देखिए वो reach somewhere खुद को ही करना होता है. Like there are creators who think कि ऐसे 12 में आके आपकी लाइफ बन जाएगी. That's not how it is. आप कुछ बन जाओगे तो आप आओ फिर हम आपको लाइफ बना के देंगे. It's not कि we cannot make someone from 0 to 100. We can, but we don't want to do that because it sets a bad precedence to the industry. मतलब फिर तो होगा कि भाई सब लोग मतलब वो right.
एक elite gaming.
हाँ कि this is an elite gaming org right now where we are looking for the best of best talents and then when they enter into a org vice versa like both sides से हम लोग भी help each other grow. So वो concept है. So it's like recently we just hired this guy who was just leaving Joker की Haveli. When he joined us, I think he was close to 250k. Now he's at 400k close. So अब उसमें क्या कि उसने भी हमारे में बहुत वैल्यू ऐड किया. Some of the videos that he featured in on our channel, those went to million views. And उसको भी वो benefit मिला कि he got associated with so many creators.
Win-win situation.
Win-win situation होता है. Right now what we are looking at is a win-win situation. So it's a very difficult process until things get more structured in the industry.
I guess I've spoken to a lot of gamers, but I've not spoken to like gaming CEOs, right? So it's really nice to understand that side of it. What advice would you give to a kid ki this is how I would make sure that I portray it to my parents so that they let you game?
So I believe that if I look at my scene, तो मैं पढ़ाई भी करता था, मस्ती बहुत करता था, ठीक है. But वो था कि पढ़ाई के टाइम में पढ़ाई. अब मैं बोलता हूँ जरूरी नहीं है कि सब पढ़ाकू बच्चे होंगे. I don't just want to focus on academics. कुछ फैमिलीज में होते हैं जहाँ बच्चों को आगे जाके बिजनेस ज्वाइन करना होता है या कुछ और ज्वाइन करना होता है. Whatever is set for them. तो वो चीज आपको थोड़ा टाइम तक करना ही होगा बिकॉज सी अल्टीमेटली योर पेरेंट्स हैव हेल्प यू ग्रो पूरा आपको पाला पोसा बड़ा किया है तो यू नीड टू एंश्योर दैट आप लोग उतना रिस्पेक्ट दो एंड आप उतने काबिल बच्चे बनने वाली जो बात है जो इंडिया में कंसेप्ट है वो बनना होगा वो आपको उनको रे ऑफ होप दिखाना होगा सो आप ये नहीं कर सकते गो टू योर हाउस आप लड़ रहे हो कि यार मुझे ये दो वो नहीं होता किसी को नहीं मिला मतलब each one of us did our own hustle जो हमारे पेरेंट्स को चाहिए because that's how Indian culture works. Parents आपका बुरा नहीं सोचेंगे.
Exactly.
So listen to them.
You're wearing great shoes. You've got a great watch on. I'm sure you're traveling around the world. You're smiling. You're happy. Did you ever think कि ये हो सकते हैं ऐसे मेरे life?
See, this is the sort of life like I don't know like I think मेरे जो 45 talents हैं उन सब में मैं इकलौता always wanted this sort of life. When you achieve something of this when you're early आपको लाइफ में कॉन्फिडेंस मिलता है सो द बिगेस्ट चेंज इज कॉन्फिडेंस बिकॉज पैसे नहीं भी होते तो चलता आई वुड हैव स्टिल डन समथिंग इन माय लाइफ बट ये कुछ अपना ब्रेक लेके यार सीए का फाइनलिस्ट करियर
मतलब वो सेफ बेट था ये
वो छोड़ के आप आके ये कर लियो एंड यू हैव मेड समथिंग दो वो कॉन्फिडेंस जो आता है आई थिंक दैट्स द बिगेस्ट की पॉइंट दैट हैज चेंज्ड एंड ऑब्वियसली लाइफस्टाइल obviously changes money in the bank changes वो सब चीज तो होती है obviously when you have achieved a lot look at things positively I'm a risk taker now.
How do you give advice to these guys who may not be at the same financial level as you guys but obviously they have goals on Instagram we're seeing this incredible lifestyle.
Correct.
How do you go about managing your finances? How did you learn that? Obviously you're a CA so it helps.
It's a part of our business आप ये समझो to portray good things, luxurious things, we have to do it.
Yeah, exactly.
I always tell that यार it's very important कि हम लोग जाके दिखाएं कि क्योंकि दिखाना होगा ना गेमिंग बढ़ चुकी है. This is a self learning process. मैं खुद भी सीख रहा हूँ. I'm a whenever I spendthrift हूँ मैं कुछ भी खरीद लेता हूँ. When you take a financial crunch, आपका liquidity crunch, it hits suddenly out of nowhere. You don't realize your planning fails and you are screwed. So वो पॉइंट है जहाँ पे आप सीखते हो. So don't be in that shoe where you have to depend every next financial year. India में I don't think we nurture kids to start earning and saving at the same time. By the time they end up
investing. Exactly.
वो सब चीज़ नहीं सिखाया जाता बच्चों को.
Last question. भविष्य क्या है e-sports के लिए भारत में? Forget globally, it's a different scene. Where would you like to see it and where do you think it will be? Let's say next 3-5 years.
I think it's about esports grow तो करेगा when if you have the correct people investing in the industry अगर focus Indian market है then definitely things will pay off we need more mindful people in the industry I just want कि everyone is aligned on which direction we need to go because we are the front runners right now first mover advantage हमारे पास gaming industry would be close to 3 billion CAGR by 25 I think it's an optimistic number we should be there because the way it's been growing leaps and bounds
Awesome man, you keep growing. I hope you continue to inspire the next generation. Thank you so much for inviting me to your home. For me it's been a nice learning to understand how you guys function as well. So thanks so much Anish.
Thank you so much.
And look forward to seeing much more of you and all of your gamers as well.
For sure, there's so much to come.
Thanks man, thanks for being with us on Man's Life. Thank you.